sit. Good boy. Good. Now, what's on your foot? Paw. Good. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hi Rue. Today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day for the first time in my new apartment. So let's get on with the video. So first things first, I like to eat some sort of like yogurt and granola. This is week 3 of me going to the gym. I go 5 times a week. I like to start off with like some sort of light food because I have to have some sort of food in my stomach. So this is my pre-workout breakfast. Every single morning for the past 3 weeks, this is what I've been eating. Hey. It's 9 a.m. I just got back from my workout and I'm about to eat my breakfast. So for breakfast today, I'm gonna make a sandwich. Oh my god, how am I gonna open this? What is the point of working out if I can't even open a jar? Goodness. Oh my god, I did it. Yesterday I decided to run, which I never do, and my knees are hurting so bad right now. Okay, I'm gonna watch Midnight Romance in Hagwon. Netflix is just really not doing it for me right now, so I'm on Viki. But this is my sandwich. Oh my god, that tastes so good. So it's lunchtime and I'm gonna make myself something quick and easy because I have to go to the eye doctor soon. I'm gonna make some sukiyaki. This is probably not even the right way. I'm just gonna make like a very simplified, easy version of it. Green onions. Onion, cabbage, beef brisket. English it says cooking sauce. Looks like this. Some water. I like these tablets. Just have a little bit more flavor. In goes the tofu.
Sugar and spice.
While that's cooking, I'm gonna put some udon noodles in some water for it to defrost. You dip it in your egg like this. Togarashi. think like the reason why I love home cooked meals so much is because like I first learned how to cook when I was in college and I was living by myself. I was so lonely. The one thing that really comforted me was cooking, and I was cooking in my like studio apartment, and even though I was like so miserable, so depressed, like cooking really cheered me up. It was just so much warmth and coziness to it. Even now, like I just prefer to cook at home rather than eating out. Oh, my knee. I'm back from my doctor's appointment. It's a little early for dinner, so I'm gonna make myself a quick little snack. I'm gonna make bibimbap, which is spicy mixed noodles. Don't judge me, but this batsuit is literally 2 years old. Is it 3 years old? How the heck did I have this for so long? Oligodang, which is like cooking syrup. Gochujang. Yarmul kimchi is by far my favorite kimchi to eat in the summertime. It's just so refreshing. You guys, I just really eyeball everything. I tried to do the whole measurement thing, but it's not working out. You gotta just go by your feel. God, there's a lot of noodles. Oh, I knew I was missing something. I forgot to add a little bit of soy sauce. Wish I can give you guys a little bite. Okay. My mouth is watering. Now that slaps. The eggs in here. And that is our midday pick-me-up snack. 잘 먹겠습니다. Doesn't that look so good? We have made it to the end of the day, and I'm going to make my final meal. And I think I'm gonna make a steak bowl with some sort of like fish sauce flavor seasoning. I don't know. We're just gonna give it a try. Fish sauce. Thai chilies. And mix it up. And that's pretty much it. And then you just cook up the steak and then top it all off. I have my rice. I'm gonna put some steak on here. I think this is the only way I'm gonna eat steak from now on. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.